Hi, today we are going to learn about one of the most important Maven goal, which is nothing but the Maven package. See, this is very important when we join in any organization. See, when you get a chance to work with Maven, right? Sometimes your team lead might ask you like just build the project. Just build the project means you just need to execute this package command, but before explaining each and everything about package goal, right? I let me take one, I mean, real time scenario or normal scenario to get understanding about what is package here. For example, in daily we might order few products over the online, right? Like online sites like Amazon or Flipkart, right? When we order for any product over the Amazon or Flipkart websites, they will accept your order first, and then they will package your order in a nice package format, and then they will send that package to your home address or the bus or train or aeroplane. But here, why they are packaging your order is your product is to make sure there will be no damage for your product. That is one case, and one more case is it is easy to transport. That means, for example, if you order two products, okay, then if they package it right, they can easily transport your two products in the same package, and they can shift that product to your home address. So it is very easy to transport. That is the main advantage of package in the normal scenario. But when it comes to the I mean, when it comes to the Maven, right, here also same scenario only. Package means whatever the code we are having, right, source code. Like, let me open that one. See, this is my Maven demo, right? Maven demo, this is the project. I just opened this Maven demo in Eclipse. If you see here, my source code is available here, src main java. Under this one, this is my source file. You can see, right, a Maven demo application.java. If you want, I can increase the size as well. That's not an issue. You can see now. Maven demo application, that is, this is my source code file. I just want to shift this one. I mean, I just want to package this Maven demo application.java. So for that reason, we are going with the packages. Maven package command in Java. We are having, you can see, right, it is used for packaging the compiled code in distributable format. Distributable format means here in Java, in we're having three types of formats are there. One is Java, jar is there, var is there, and EAR is there. So what is jar, what is var, what is EAR? I will tell now. See, jar is nothing but the Java archive. Var is nothing but the web archive. ER is nothing but the enterprise archive. In Java, we are having three kinds of applications are there. In Java, we are having the standalone applications are there. Standalone applications are there. For standalone applications, we will use the jar package format, and then for web applications, we use var package. For enterprise applications, app is nothing but the application here. For enterprise applications, we will use EAR. So you guys understood, right? When we use jar, when we use var, when we use EAR as a package for the Java applications, right? For standalone applications, we will use jar. For web applications, we use var. For enterprise applications, we use EAR as a package. So by using I think this is not required here. One second, let me remove this one. By mistake I have added here. Yeah, and then I will, whatever I am going to explain here, right? Each and everything I will show you in practical. So then when we um, when we execute this one until second point, let me execute this one first, and then I will show you, I will explain third point, then I will show you third point, and then I will explain fourth point, and then practically I will show the fourth point. First, let me go to the project where it is there. Maven demo. It is in my D drive tech workspace Maven demo. Here, wherever Maven is there, simply use CMD here. It will open command from that location. Here what we need to use, our goal is MEN package. Package spelling should be correct only. PACKAGE package. When we use package, right, let's see what is happening here. Yeah, you can see when I use package goal, it's scanning for the projects. And then if you see here, uh, where from the pom.xml file, and you can see, right, it is executing the compiler goal, and then it is executing test, and then it has run the test cases. You can see it run two test cases. After running the test cases, it is building the jar. You can see package, it is building the jar file, building jar. Where is that jar? D drive tech workspace maven demo target maven demo hyphen 0.0.1 hyphen snapshot dot jar. This is the jar it has created, and then the jar location is inside target folder. Okay, let me go to that this location D drive take workspace maven demo target, and then let's see whether the jar is there, jar is available or not. If the jar is available, then how come the jar is creating? What is the naming pat from where this naming is picking by the maven? And I will try to explain each and everything. Let me go to the target folder. Okay, go to maven demo. Let's see whether target is created or not. Target, it is created here. Go inside here, and you can see that today's date is 4/6 only. Here also 4/6 only, so it is created today only. Let's come here. Let's see, is there any this is there any jar file with the name maven demo hyphen 0.0.1 hyphen snapshot dot jar? You can see here, this is the jar file. So that means today this jar is created, and the package command is created in the jar file. Now the first thing is, how come this jar is creating? What is, why it is taking only this name maven demo hyphen 0.0.1 hyphen snapshot dot jar? It can take any other name, right? It can take test hyphen test dot jar. It can take deleted jar, but why it is taking only maven demo hyphen 0.0.1 snapshot dot jar means, let me copy this one. I will show you. Let me copy this jar file. Let me paste here. Jar file naming pattern or format you can use. This is the jar file. Let me go to the let me go to Eclipse for opening the pom.xml file. I just, because it is scanning from the pom.xml file only, right? So something is there inside pom.xml file. That's why it is taking that name. So I just want to show what is there in the pom.xml file. Go to pom.xml file here. Let me here 1 second here. Yeah, let leave about these errors. These are not errors. There is some bug in the Eclipse ID. That's why it is giving these errors, but these are not errors. Okay, let's go to the line number 11th. See what is the group ID it has given: com.demo.maven. Okay, let's copy this three lines. What are those three lines? Okay, Control C. let's 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 paste here itself. Control V. You can see now. For now, you just leave about group ID. When I unzip the jar file rails, at that time we can get to know, we can know what is the use of this group id. For now, let's see what is the artifact id we are using. Maven demo. Okay, here name and artifact id both are same only, so that's why the name also, artifact id name is having same value, Maven demo. So you can see this Maven demo is highlighting here as well, right? This jar file name is taking from the artifact id, and then it is using hyphen. So the pattern is, you can let me copy this one, control C, control V, artifact id, and then version. What is the version it is using here? Let me copy this in version name, and then what is this one? Snapshot dot package. This package is nothing but the, it might be jar or var or EAR. Then how we will differentiate whether this is a, whether it is a jar or var or EAR means, inside here, if you see here, is there any package command is there here after this one? Let me show you that one as well. Here we can have package will be there here, like this. This package will have jar. In the same way, this is the default one, default package. If you don't specify, by default package is jar, and if it is var, right, we need to add like this. Control V. Let me paste two times and then I will update this one. Okay. For var, right? For var package, we need to update this one as var. For EAR package, we need to update it update this one as EAR. Okay. So by default, if you don't specify anything package tag inside our pom.xml file, right, by default it's a jar file. That's why it has created jar here. Now you got it right. The jar file format is, I mean package format is artifact id, and then hyphen, and then version name, and dot package format. The package is jar packaging one. That package tag value is jar or var or EAR. Okay, yeah, and then this is, it is created jar file. Once after creating the jar file inside target, right, let's see what is there. See here, until the second point whatever I explained, this I have completed with in practical way. Now let's go to the third one. See, this package contains only source code dot class files, and it should not contains any test class dot class files. That means source code means whatever is there normal dot java files, not test dot java files. It, that package contains only this dot class file only. It should not contain any test dot class files. Test class are, one second, let me, if you go to src test java, inside this one there is one more class, this one as Maven demo application test.java. The package should contain only dot class of Maven demo application.java, but not Maven demo application test.dot class. For the proof, to show that proof, let me go to the target location. Let's extract this one, or else you can unzip this one by using 7-zip one. Just unzip to here. You can see with the same name, Maven demo 0.01 snapshot, right? Same, one more folder is created here. You just go inside this one. Here, where is the for the proof of saying like it is having only dot source code dot class files but not the test class dot class files, we need to go to boot hyphen, not meta hyphen. You just go to inside boot hyphen. Here one folder is there, dot classes folder is there. Inside this one, go here. You can see, right, first one is com is there, demo is there, maven is there. Here, wait, I have shown you something here inside group ID. When I'm explaining package format, right? You can see that group ID. This group ID is nothing but the com.demo.maven. This is the folder structure. This folder structure is available inside package only. That's why I told you it is useful when we extracting. You can see com.demo.maven. Inside this one, we are having Maven demo, our project name. Here it is having only our, you see, the name is Maven demo application dot dot class file. That means this is the source code dot class file only, but not the test dot class file. This is the proof for saying like third point. Okay, third point, it should contain only source code dot class files, but not the test class dot class file. You understand, right? And what is the reason for Maven is including only source code dot class files, but not the test class dot class files is generally these these packages we will deploy in a production server or live server, where this production server or live server will use only source code dot class files, but not the test class dot class files, because these test class dot class files are used for only to make sure whether source code dot class files are working fine or not. That's it. That's why all the, Maven including only source code dot class files, but not the test dot class files inside package. That is clear, right? Then one more is there. When we package the our source code files, Maven included one more folder called meta-inf folder. This contains the pom.xml file and some pom.properties file. These are let me go to the MET-INF folder and let me show you what is there inside MET-INF folder. Let's go to here. This is our package extracted folder here. Go inside MET-INF. You can see, right, two folders are there. One is Maven. Go inside Maven. com.demo.maven here. Maven demo is there. You can see right here. pom.xml file is there. This, let me open this pom.xml file with notepad plus plus plus. You can see, right, what is there here. Whatever we have configured, whatever is available inside pom.xml file, same pom.xml file is copied inside meta-inf folder. This is one, and one file. Then second one is, I just want to show you one more file is there here. Properties are there. These properties are nothing but the group ID, artifact ID. You can see artifact ID, group ID, and version. These will be with, you can see what group artifact ID is nothing but the Maven demo, and then version is 0.0.1 hyphen snapshot. These details are copied from the same here only. You can see. Uh, Group ID, artifact ID, version. These three are copied into here. These are useful for the while running the packages over the production server. Okay, and coming to here, I think I have covered everything. And let me give overall, let me summarize this one. For summarizing, I just need to go here and let me delete this target folder, entire target folder, and see whether, let me explain one more time. Okay. See, we just need to go to the Maven is nothing but the Maven package is nothing but the it's a packaging the compiling code in a distributable format. That distributable format is nothing but the jar, var, or ER packages. This jar is nothing but Java archive, var is nothing but the web archive, ER nothing but the enterprise archive. Okay, and then these when we use Maven package, right? By default, what is there any package command, is there a package tag is there in pom.xml file or not? It will check. If it is there, it will pick that value. If it is not there, by default package is jar file, and then it will create a, it will, and then it will take that jar file, and then it will execute first Maven validate, and then Maven compile, and then Maven test. Once all these three get success, it will execute the Maven package command, which is nothing but the default Maven package is jar, and then it will run the jar, and it will run the jar plugin, and it will create the jar file with the name of artifact id hyphen version hyphen dot jar and it will place that jar file inside target folder. And then this target folder, when we extract it, right, inside the target folder we can see like there is MET-INF folder is there. This folder contains the pom.xml file and pom.properties file. Yeah, that's it guys. Please do like, share and subscribe for more encouragement. In future I am going to upload more videos on Maven, and then I am going to upload more. I am going to upload videos on entire DevOps and then AWS concepts as well. Yeah, thank you guys.